My house faces southwest, and when the sun comes up, it's got to, in my case, deal with this tree right here, this giant oak tree, and this crepe myrtle, I guess that is. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning right now, and I'm about to get the only sunlight of the day on this area. All right, this is the Scott's Classic grass seed. This is the Tall Fescue mix, and this 3-pound bag will seed up to 1,330 square foot of your yard. A little bit about this bag. This stuff works in sunny and shady areas. I have a shady area. When you get the bag, it does not appear to be a resealable bag. Be prepared to have like a chip clip or something if you don't use this. It doesn't really give you any directions on how much you're supposed to put in an area, so I'm just going to throw some out there by hand since I have a small area. So let's see how it works. Stuff is also good, it says, for high traffic areas, which is what I have because me and my dog walk through here all the time. Stuff goes down real easy, nice and dry. My yard's 50 foot long by 20 foot wide. You can see that I've got beds on either side here, so I really don't have a huge area that I need to seed. Well, I just did an entire area that's about 50 foot by, let's say, 10 foot. Still have half a bag left, so I'm gonna wrap this up, see how it goes throughout the summer, throw some more down if I need to. And I just want to show you the seed on the ground. So I've got it laid out all over here, and I will do a follow-up video later on this summer, and we'll see how it worked, all laid out and ready to go in my shady area.